and welcome to Arjun Programming. In this video, you're going to learn how to make variables in Python. So let's say you have a story and the story is naked. And let's say I wanted to change the man's name. When you only have it like this, it's okay. You can just go to that one instance of his name. But let's say it was like 1,000 lines long. And then you'd have to search through every instance of the man's name. So instead of having to search through the whole thing, you can make a variable which can hold its name. His name. So let's say, his name is John, and we can, to add strings together, we can use the plus symbol, and like in the middle of the two lines where his name was, we can put his name instead of John. And then we can just add this to everything. But it would be super tedious if we're doing this, because there's another way you can do it. And also in a print statement, you can also use comma instead of plus. And before you actually make the double quotes, you're gonna type F, the letter F. And to add it, you're gonna do opening and closing curly brackets, and then the variable, or whatever you want it to be. And any way you put it, all of the things I've shown you will eventually output the same thing. So when I run this, it'll say there. And instead of curly opening and closing curly brackets and inside name, it says John, which is the name. You can also store numbers, and when it's in a string, it'll already be converted, but not the variable. There's also floating points, floats, and booleans, true or false. There's also tuples, lists, and dictionaries, but you'll learn more about them in a later episode. So that's it for the video, and see you in the next one.